A National Science Foundation-funded research team has successfully tested an unmanned underwater vehicle, UAV, that can produce high-resolution 3D maps of Antarctic sea ice. The UAV, named Seabed, measured and mapped the underside of sea ice flows in 3 areas off the Antarctic Peninsula that were previously inaccessible.
In the Antarctic, it's slightly different processes. The sea ice grows out from the continent, but also melts back and almost melts back to zero or nothing at the end of the summer season. And therefore we got to understand those processes, because here in the Bellinghausen Sea we find that the area of sea ice is shrinking rapidly compared to other areas of the Antarctic sea ice, and therefore we're trying to understand the processes is why this area of sea ice within the Bellinghausen Sea is reducing.
Built and operated by Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, Seabed's upward-looking sonar allowed it to map under the ice while its twin hull added stability at low speeds as it traversed the frigid Antarctic waters, some 20 to 30 meters down. NSF supported the development and deployment of Seabed to advance the state-of-the-art of these ocean-going instruments as remote sensors in extreme environments. The data from Seabed, combined with traditional sea ice observations, vastly improves scientists' estimates of ice thickness and sea ice volume. The team sees the successful Seabed deployment as an important first step toward making the kinds of routine underwater measurements needed to help monitor and understand large-scale changes in sea ice. Testing Seabed was a joint effort of NSF, the Institute of Antarctic and Marine Science, Antarctic Climate and Ecosystem Cooperative Research Centre in Australia, and the British Antarctic Survey.